This is an open floor plan, nice big backyard with plenty of room to garden. Located at 241 South Melody Avenue West, Layton, Utah 84041. Large front window with open kitchen. Newly remodeled bathroom with walk-in shower. Laundry close to kitchen for easy access. One-car garage could be used for oversized workshop. Close to hospital and stores. Amazing neighborhood. Shaded mature trees in both the front yard and the back. For more information about this home, contact Harv at 801-915-7386.